As I'm talking to clients, one of the big questions that we often think about is whereabouts we should live and where should our ideal be. And I've numerous times had people tell me that aside from the taxes, aside from the regulation and bureaucracy, in their opinion, the best quality of life, the best place to live is Italy. Now, whether you agree with that or not, that's up to you. Go there and check it out. That being said, today we're going to talk about what's called the special tax regime for inbound workers in Italy, which might be of interest to you because you can get a big tax discount for a period of time, which might be useful if you are interested in moving to Italy and enjoying this famed, wonderful lifestyle. So, before we dive into that, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos. Really appreciate your support. If you'd like help with international structuring, paying lower taxes, forming companies, opening bank accounts, getting residencies, getting citizenships, unofficial citizenships, all those different things, please reach out to me. You can book a call, calendly.com/Michael-Rosmer, link in the description below, or you can send us a message through our websites, offshorecitizen.net and offshorecapitalist.com. Now, so who does this apply to? This applies to people who have not been tax resident in Italy for the last 2 years, who commit to living in Italy for at least 2 years, and who are going to work in Italy at least 183 days per year. Okay, so this is actually for Italian source income. This is actually for, earned income. So that's pretty cool, right? You could have a foreign company, you could pay yourself a wage, you could make a lot of money, and you could pay this lower tax rate. How does it work? So you get a 70% discount in your tax rate, okay? So your normal tax rate, now the top tax bracket is 43% in Italy, and then there's some other added charges. So if you take a 70% discount on that, you come in at around something like 14%-ish. Okay, so that kind of gives you some idea where you end up. However, that's for if you live in the northern parts of the country. If you live in the southern parts of the country, areas like Sicily, etc., there's a variety of different provinces. You get a 90% reduction, which can put you in the sub 5% range. This applies for 5 years and is extendable for another 5 years. There's some nuances of if you buy a house, then you can have some different qualifications. If you have children, that can have some other effects, and it depends on whether you have 3 children or not, that allow you to kind of get some other benefits associated. But anyway, all around a pretty significant discount. Now, again, note that this is for Italian source income. This is not for your foreign source income. So you don't have to worry about, hey, listen, is this income from abroad? Is this, whatever? This is for actually designed for workers, which it's pretty rare, right? If we consider something like Portugal, you can go there and you can get, favorable treatment for dividends, favorable treatment for, interest income or foreign interest income, things like royalties, etc. Here, actually earned income, right? You can actually go to Italy, you can actually work in Italy, you can run your business, you can whatever, you can get paid and have this lower tax regime. On top of that, you can combine it if you wanted to with the lump sum taxation regime. That's one of the things that people will sometimes do is they say, okay, maybe I have foreign income that I'm going to benefit from this lump sum taxation, but I want to get a lower tax regime for my earned income locally. And so you can combine those two, which is really interesting. In both cases, money can be remitted to Italy, so that's not a problem. And yeah, if Italy was the place that you always wanted to go live, you could do that. This regime being good for 10 years, the other one being, 5 plus a 5 extension, so 10, and the other one being for 15, which is pretty good. So if you have questions about that, put them in the comments below. Reach out to me if you have any questions, you'd like help. If you'd like to understand kind of how it might apply to you or not, etc., you can book a call. And I'm going to look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.